Are you eating crackers this morning? What are you having for breakfast? What are you having for breakfast this morning? Little. What are you having for breakfast? Nothing. Are you going to ask for more? What? What would you like? Belly. The crackers go in your belly, huh? Cracker. You want this? Moo. Is that the cow and the horse? That's right. Good job. Moo. That's what the cow says. Moo. What does a duck say, Declan? Quack, quack. Good job. What about a kitty? What does a kitty say? Oh, what? What does a kitty say? Meow. Moo? You think a kitty says moo? Moo. Moo. Moo is our favorite, huh? Did we see real cows last week? Yeah. What does the duck say? What does the duck say? You want another cracker? What does a doggy say? What does a doggy say, Declan? Moo. Everything says moo. Moo. What about a kitty? What does a kitty say? Meow. What? Do you hear Daddy coming in? Hi, Daddy.
Hi, little.
He just did all of his animal sounds on camera. Good job, buddy.